I ain't never touched that. Cause I feel your love by delusion. All right. We good. We are good. All right. So let's see what we did for today. I don't know, bro. US 30 been helping me, but gold. I gotta tell y'all something. Whoa. Did I catch a gold? Wait, was that a? Yeah, it might have been a gold ER. Okay. So smack. Damn, it's so much EI has been created today. So okay. Let's go to 5 minutes. We just gonna see what we caught today. I really wish I could just. I'm gonna just keep taking stats. It's probably like the last week I'm gonna take stats consistently, and then I might make a video on it, and then probably try to do something else for the live. But other than that, because I want to test out per better days, I'm just testing the strategy over and over and over. So I want to bring something new to the live. So for Monday, we went the thing. All right, so this is for Monday. So for Monday, we in a new firm now. So boom, this is a new day. Oh, let's see. We should have wrote this. I wrote this before the stream. I should have did it before the stream, but what the fuck was I gonna do? What was I gonna do? It was something. All right. Oh yeah. I was gonna go to Trade Locker. I don't want to take. I keep saying when I say I don't want to take too long and proceeds to take long. Like I be like I want to finish the. Every time I say I want to finish the live, and I actually be wanting to do an hour live, but that don't be running. So I went 4 for 2 today. I went 4 for 2. 4, 2 and 2 for the 1 RRs and a 3.5 RR. So I gained a percentage of a 75%. I wrote the percentage over here. So 1%. I gained 1% today, basically. So I gained a 75. I gained the 75. No, I went 4 and 2, like I said, and then that half and half. So 75 plus 25, I gained 1.1%. If I took everything, probably 4, and I traded with a 0.25. I just feel a little comfortable. Like I was trading with the 0.50 when I started, and then I switched over to the 0.25. So I just feel a little bit more comfortable with the 0.25. But we're gonna go in. I woke up at 5. Low-key, I was super tired. So for gold came up. So I took 4 golds and 2 30s. So let's see. Low key, I think we gonna go over this, bro. Oh my gosh, how much EI has been, bro? The fucking EI would have been killer today, like killer, bro. Like I really believe it's like if anything, I believe like if anything, I'm not even gonna lie. I would just take EI setups if you really want to just pass. Like guarantee, I feel like I'm gonna just pass if I just take EIs. Like I've been taking less like 1-on-ones because it's like it's really no point. It's really no point. Like I took 1-on-ones this morning. I went 2 for 2. It was break even, and then I just took 1-on-one, another 1-on-one, and a 3.5 R. And a 3.5R hits 50% of the time. That's why I said it's a killer. It's like a 2.5 factor. So if you could do that, and then good time, I'm gonna figure out good times to enter, when to enter the market. That's when I'm gonna start. So this week is the last week I'm gonna start calculating. Hey, if I take everything, because usually I won't take everything. Now it's to a point. How can I make this better, or when to actually enter? So instead of randomization, we're gonna do trending markets, or when should I enter, when is the best opportunity to enter. I would look at the time. I would just look at certain time frames instead of just entering, because usually every day is almost positive. I think it was like 2 out of like 20 days, it was probably like 2 that was actually a negative day taking everything. So but it can't be positive. So took this one right here, lost this one. It would have won if I just waited another minute and then took it. But I seen this wick. I thought it was going to finish from here to here. Lost, waked up, came back down. This one right here, waked up. I thought it was going to come back down. Went back up, came back down. And yeah. So I think I was 3-1 early in the morning. So yeah, 3-1 early in the morning. Let's see. So for gold, so for gold, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we took 4 setups. So we're 2-2 for gold. But we took a 3.1 something. I like writing in parentheses 3.110. So I and another I. And then we could just write that for Tuesday. And then for today, I. You see how even if I fucked up, it's 1-1. This 3R would have took away 3 from here. And this would have been break even. So it would have been like down -2. But overall, we could be positive for this week. If we just caught another EI, oh my gosh. Like, I don't feel bad losing 2-3 EIs, because it be times you could just catch an EI and win 2-3 times in a row. And that's what we're going to go over. So this can't be Tuesday. And this is like too much I took. So I didn't take that much trades today. So I came down here. I was trying to trade at 7. I got tired. I woke up at 5. I ain't gonna lie. Stayed up till 7. Once 7 hit, I ain't gonna lie. I fell asleep. I fell asleep on the chair. Woke back up around 9:30, which is the perfect time to actually wake up. Because what, 5:30, 7:30? I don't mind. Usually, you can come back at the market around 9. Yeah. Low key, you can really spam this. Like, the 1-on-1 RRs usually hit majority of the time, but I don't know. Like I said, I don't know. Like, maybe you catch 3 of the RRs, but it hasn't been. I've been taking stats for the Pew. The 1 of RRs is still winning, but I know if you just do 2 good runs of the 3 RR, it'll just win by a margin. So the 3 RR might be good. Like I said, we just got to figure out when to enter them. And then once we figure out when to enter, I might just start taking 3-1 RRs and like guarantee 1 RRs that I feel comfortable with instead of just randomizations. It's not really randomizations. It's like EI probably has the best setup. We wait for 3 touches and the following of the trend, it goes, and then we take. So we fell asleep around 7, so we couldn't been able to catch this. So this was nice. Even so, we'd have caught this one too. Nice. So if you missed this one, could have came to this one. That's a 3. That's an EI right there. That was nice. So 2 EIs. I probably would have took this too, because wickage. At most, it could come down to here. Like, if it don't, it just don't. It probably would have came here and went back up. If it did, it did. But it went even farther. So that'd have been 2 EI. That would have been an EI right there. 1, 2, 3, an EI right here. Look at this. Oh my gosh, bro. This was killer today. I swear to God, bro. Look how much 3. So these are the EIs I'm talking about. These are 3.5 RRs, bro. So I usually would have traded 0.5%, but I just started a new challenge, gained 2%, and I I really want to wait till I'm 5% to switch up to 0.5 in all confidence. So I just want to get to 5%. Once I hit 5%, I wrote it on my notes. Is right here on the you see all these yellow sticky notes. I forgot. I'm an E8. So let's put E8. E8. So I went with E8 prop firm. Shout out to E8. I ain't getting nothing yet. I'm gonna be patient though, because I gained 2%. First day I gained fucking 3% on top tier. Them niggas sent me an email. Then I lost the first day. I just lost once. I just wanted to test it out. And then I said, bro, I'm gonna come back strong. I think I caught like 2 EIs and 2 fucking wins. What was it? It was a point. It was 1 point, then 1.5, 1.5, then 2 wins. They didn't like that. I gained like 4%. Them niggas said, you're over leveraging. Look at these rules we just made up. Look at the rules we just made up. So look at, bro, the EIs is so crazy. And then we would have lost this one because this is, oh my gosh. So Wickage goes up, and Wicks comes up. Low key might could have bought here, but we probably would have sold. So come here, would have sold down. Oh yeah, I was trying to sell. Yeah, it just never came. So I don't know why. I remember doing this. I'm not gonna stay too long. Did I take this? Yeah. All right, this is the one I took. So 1, 2, Wickage. I'm not too fond on this EI because one, I probably wouldn't take this EI. I probably would have did a 101. I probably would have did a 1 because this is too close together to me. I need some one tap. I would count this as 1 tap. And this is my second tap right here. So I would have took a 101, but it does hit this 3 to 3. If you want to, like, that's 1 EI right there. If I took this EI, probably would have took this 101. Came back, took another 3 EI. Probably would have been crazy up on the account. And you know what's crazy? Damn, I was about to say another Eon formed against us. Look how much fucking trees evented in this EI. 1, boom, hits. This one loses. Damn, nah. We got a lot of losses. So that's 1 loss. That's 1 win. That's a loss. That's a win. That's why I don't be liking the tree, because it's so fit. It's really like 65-40. It wins, but sometimes you could do like this little 1 win. Like if I could just find perfect ways to enter tree, I think that's what I'm gonna do after this week. I'm gonna find better ways to enter the tree setup. Way better ways, like super way better. Like because it's randomization of trees, but if I could enter a tree or some type of trend following, and probably like maybe I'm thinking a nearby and with the tree. So if this is a nearby, it's like I'm thinking something like this. I'll probably put an alert here and it comes down tree, because the tree works way better than nearby is tree. Nearby is tree, but nearby probably was never working. So tree, nearby, like nearby. Ain't no nearby shit. This is not really kind of, so nearby. This works. Boom, boom. So it never hits down. So boom. But we're not gonna look too much on this. We just gonna show y'all what happened. So boom, boom, boom. EI is formed against us. So boom. EI is kind of formed. It's like this is just a range in market. It's not no. I want to. You see how this is coming out? I like when it come out. I don't really like entering off range in markets. It just could do ping pong effect. I don't really care to enter off this. So you're gonna call 2 EIs, maybe 3, if you want to count this as an EI. Like if you count this as an EI, sure, why not? Like, because I count this as an EI, sure, why not? Wick out, come in. Wick way out, come in. Wicks out. This not really first touch wicks. So this will come out. Wicks out. I wish like if it came like up here, I'd have been like, oh damn, that's a real EI. But if you answer EI or not, still good. Still good. Oh, don't like this. Yeah. So for I don't know what the hell I wrote. So 3.5 with two L's. Now 30. I think we won at one. So for 30, oh my gosh, this looks bro. This looks nasty, bro. Like I'm mad at myself for taking as much losses. I really forced 4 trades and one. Like I really did force one, bro. Bro, I was really going through. No, I know what it was, bro. It was the prop firm, bro. Once that prop firm regenerated my profits, talking about I was cheating. I didn't care for the prop firm no more. I just switched to a new prop firm. So I was like, hey, I don't mind, you feel me? I don't really mind, losing, lose. You feel me? I don't really mind losing. What the fuck did I just say? Okay, so boom. What is this? 30? Okay, 30. I ain't gonna lie. 30 was the rangiest range of the Ranger. I'm glad I really didn't. 30 remind me of what the hell happened? If this was nasty today, this would have been super nasty today. This was super nasty. Oh my god. I'm looking at this. I thought this was nasty. Even though was we negative? Let me see. I hate was we negative? Yeah. Yeah. So you would basically break 2%. 2% if you took all setups. Like I said, I need to get to like a 10%. Not even 10 because it's randomization. Now, next week, I'm going to look. Hey, I need to gain 5%. Where can I gain the 5%? And that's what I'm gonna look for. So basically, I'm not even gonna press replay button. I'm gonna see points of the markets of emphasis where I could get my edge from. So let's break it down. 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 Okay. So first, God damn. So 5:30 happens. We're already in this super uptrend. I like how rangy it is at 3:30. Look at this. This looks so clean. Enter, win, don't enter, wakes up, enter, win. Probably don't. You can enter if you want this. Enter, win, don't enter this because it's not high enough. Wakes out, win. Probably lose depending on where you enter. Yeah, you'll lose this one. So now, week out. I don't even know if Oh, these just the ones I missed. So boom, boom comes up with. I was scared to enter because as soon as I was about to enter, I seen this thing of the gap, and I was like, "Ugh, that looks nasty. Looks real nasty." So that'd have been a W. This would have been a W. That'd have been. So look, that's why I wouldn't be too mad on the 530 because that would have been 4-2. That would have been 4-2 on 30. So I would have been up 0.2.5. Wake up here. I hope this was. Sometimes I like seeing the L's. Like even if I entered, like yes, like look. Sometimes even if I entered this would have been an L. Like I even like keeping that because you don't want to see just straight W's. You want to see. You really just want to mark up the fucking losses to see like, hey, why would I enter this? Price was at a point. Oh my gosh, it looks so nasty. This looks so nasty. So what? Why did I draw? I didn't even take this. He reset. It's like, why does it look like this? All right, zoom out. This, I don't even know why would I take. I don't know. I don't know why I did that. I really don't know why I did that. I think I was just trying to enter from here. Yeah. I think I did. I think I did enter this. Or did I? So one. I think we didn't. I think we lost this one. Yeah, we lost. I think I swear we didn't take this. We probably took this shit. 1, 2. All I remember was taking 2. Yeah. So okay, so say sales enter this tree. It wins. Enter the tree. Never enter another tree. It pops up. Most likely you can sell. It comes up. Now we to a point where you sell this. You to a point. You really can't find nothing. You can sell the tree again. You want to stay sell. After this, I probably stop selling. So one stuff. You lose this one. So all right, let's see how much sales we did. We're not gonna study this. Like I keep saying that, but I'm trying to see if I could have caught an EI. Yeah. So one with wick, maybe right here. So let's see. Either or. This EI happened first. So you see price doesn't want to break here. Wick comes up, wick comes up. This is kind of nasty. Maybe, like I said, this probably kind of fires one touch to me. It doesn't really wick out. Comes up one touch, comes up 2 touch. So boom, either here, which it does work, and here, which it does work, and here, which it does work. These are 3 entries you can get with the ER. Now, what do I mean by entries? These are the 3 entries. The most safe entry, I ain't gonna lie, is the first one. I don't like where the TP is at. I really don't like where the TP is at. So maybe I would have waited. So even if you enter, shit, you lose. So boom, you enter here, smack loss instantly. So you smack loss instantly. So sometimes the ER, I say you can enter twice sometimes. Or the EI, you can enter off the second one. If you really just want to play it safe, you can enter off the second one. So like it comes here, it wakes up. You don't enter off this one, but you enter off this one. And this here, boom, boom, hits TP right here. And F1 is another one. Boom. Enter off the 5, hits TP. And this one is the farthest TP. So eliminate this. And off the second one. So boom, boom, boom. Comes out. Boom. I really like this one the most. Because it comes out, it wakes up, it comes here 50. I like this one the most. I really do. Now, it's kind of, you could tell this is kind of like a fake. I don't like this EI. You could delete it. I don't like this one. This is a nice EI though. So boom, EI. Lose this one. I'm glad I wrote this one. Ooh, wait, come here. Wait, lose. Come down. So going now. Yeah, this is nasty work. We probably just try to catch EIs. Oh, EI catch, so boom. Come to. What's up? This EI is an EI, but nah, bro, I don't like it. I don't. Try to catch an EI over here. Boom, boom. Touch here. Never respects EI. Breaks out. Breaks out. Boom. Comes here. Wakes up. Wakes. This is like a small EI. Small EI. Wakes out. Comes in. Wakes out. Comes in. Wakes out. Come. Oh. You can say start here. Low key. Does work though too. Works. Come. And so boom. No. You went off this one. Probably this one. That's gonna count 1 touch, 2 touch. I'll be forgetting. I won't let the count fire. So 1, 2, 1, and boom, you enter here. Boom, you lose. Second touch, boom, right here. So I don't really like this EI. I feel like this is like a forced EI. You see how much space you get? Boom, it comes up. Boom, like we don't know. This is just be arranging. Market prices don't want to move, but if you see boom, bah, then come up, bah, then come up. Nice EI. That's probably it for the EI. Caught that one by EI. Great. I don't like this EI. It looks nasty. I like more of this EI. And following trend. But it is ranging looking. Yeah, I'm glad. Yeah, I had to stay away from 30. 30 looks so nasty. And I was in a good EI. Trended, like when it's trending, that fucking tree is mwah. That shit is like 75, 80%. So we could go look at live. We can go look at the law. Cause I feel you might. Oops. Woo! It's time to say goodbye to nearby. Nearby will probably be part of tree. No point of this. So boom. Cause I feel. Tree EI 530. I don't really got a name for 530. So we got EI. 530 and tree. So okay. So replay. Gonna buy her. Cause I feel young. By Tujan. Boom. Let's see. Look at 5. What we see from 5. It looks like it's going up in this range in type motion. We're gonna keep that in mind. Like I said, when it's ranging, I really don't like market when it's ranging unless it's an EI. And it gotta be a deep EI. Like we won't say EI takes off from here. We'll come here, wait till it come here, and then enter. Like it would have been a good EI right here. See this right here. Make it probably a little smaller. So nah, we'll wait till it come up in here. But that's another day for another topic. Let's just calculate these wins. So yeah. Oh boy. I don't even know how to enter this. I'm not even gonna tell all you. I won't even enter no shit like this. I don't know when to enter. Okay, I'll just wait. I ain't even gonna where did I enter at on gold? Okay, cause I did that. Okay, cool. I don't like this. I don't like that I entered. I don't like when I look back on it. And when I lose twice on gold in the morning. Yeah, I won this one too. I don't like this. I really don't. Say sell. Yeah, cause look, it's selling. So boom. Oh, not entering this one. Wouldn't enter this one. I like this one. I like this because it's in a range. And you know what? I could respect this. It's not. I don't like. Let's draw another box of this. That's my EA. This my EI box. I don't want the same thing. So boom, boom. I see us don't want to break here. I won't even draw no EI for this. This is a nice EI though. This is a nice EI. I don't know. I never really tried EIs in the morning, like this early in the morning. I know it's more volatile, like you can really catch something around 8 to 9, but I never really tried EI in the morning. So we can. So boom, boom. Never. All right. So boom. You see a W right here. So W. Probably this probably an L for the 3. What we gonna see? Probably is. Or is it? So boom. Yeah, that's a L. So boom, L. I just want to know what the fuck did I take? Okay, I didn't take a number. Okay, I would have took. You know what? I'm not even mad at what I took. I'm not. It's a sell. It's not breaking here. I'm selling with the market. Like I said, it was realistically buy, but we just going with the flow. Like boom, 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 boom. Eventually, it was gonna break out of here. Then we switch our buys to buy. Hopefully, I wish it had just broke out now, but the market can't do what I don't. It could do whatever they want to do. But if it broke out on top, I probably would have switched buys to buys. That would have been a good one right there. So L. So boom, boom. Did I enter this? I might have lost. Okay, nah. So yeah. I probably just missed it. Oh yeah, and I drew that, so that would have been a W. That would have been a D. I keep taking long, bro. Like, what time is it? I ain't gonna finish till another hour, and I got a script to write. Gotta finish the script, and I got a skit I want to do. So, oh my gosh, I ain't gonna be done till like 1. At least I ain't gotta work tomorrow. Alright, let's see. Is it respected though? Can you zoom in a little bit? Can you bring this down and zoom in? So boom, boom. This loses, but this wins. So we're gonna count it as a loss because we did lose with this one. We're gonna count that as a loss, but we did lose. And we lost double time. So boom. That's a nice 3-1. I like this. Like, I'm no funny shit. Was this the one I was gonna take? It was one I was gonna take like a 2-1. Just off. I think it was this. It was this one. It was someone. It was like this. Like, it was somewhere around here. I was gonna take that 2-1 because price down here. I seen that ER. So boom, boom. I seen the ER. I gotta start buying low key. So buy. It comes up. This is a nice. I ain't gonna lie. Uptrend comes here. Doesn't want to break, but I see it. Yeah, it's EI right here too. So 1, 2, 3. You sell. Come here. Probably not enough because this TP is right here, and I had TP coming right here. Or this is what I don't like about the ranging, but this EI is way better. But boom, boom. Okay, let's just keep going. L. No, that's not an L. No, this wouldn't be no L. Or is it? I lost this one? Yeah, I did lose. Yeah. I lost. I keep saying this one would be no L, but what the fuck made me not say that? So that would have been an L, so what, 2 and 2? 2. I think I gave up after that. Didn't really care. Like, what the hell? Like, listen, point 1? Like, why I look like this? Boom, boom, boom. So 4. Let's see this. We'll win. Okay. So boom. So we went both. 1. So boom. We would have won this. Then I ain't gonna lie. I would have just entered this EI over it. But I ain't gonna lie. It came above here. Hell yeah. Could have entered here. Hell yeah. I like this. What I kind of, because this is an EI. We would have lost this one, but fuck. I'm trying to think. So enter this. But this is a sale. So if this is a sale, why would I buy here? If this is a sale, why would I buy here and not buy here? So it's like kind of breaking your rules, like, or is it the type of understanding of the market? But you have to be realistic. At this point in time, I wouldn't have bought here. Maybe I wouldn't even have bought here. Probably would have bought here. Probably would have bought here. And if this hit, we're gonna count this one. I don't like this one, but damn sure guarantee I'll enter for this one. So if it just doesn't hit, it doesn't hit. Oh my gosh. So boom, we lose that EI. I'm glad about losing this EI. Okay. I'll be more fair because we can't just say, so look. Because we can't enter this EI and say we won. We can't enter this EI and say we're gonna enter this one. Like I said, the second observation, boom, boom. Low key, this is a loss, but you could just say we lost the E. If we in the EI, we probably wouldn't even. Well, I probably would have took this. Depending if I'm feeling that, yes, emotions does play in. If I'm feeling good, I probably would have took that. So this EI, I'm not mad. I'm not too fond on this. So even so if I don't even want to answer this, boom, boom. So enter this EI. So you can enter from here. Wick comes up. You get like a 1.5 to lose. Enter this, lose. You can say this EI because it's about. It's like I don't want to do EIs past 7:30, but you know what? We're gonna count it as a loss just in case. Like we might have did that. So boom. So now market breaks out. Market breaks out from it. Boom. Price will come back here because overall it's a buy. Price going in here. Price came here or returns back. Price will return back. I just don't know when. So like if it breaks out from here, but price returns back over here, and you can catch it, you can catch it. So keep that in mind. So boom, 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 boom. No sells. If you want to sell with the market, you get a sell in. You get it to sell in. Probably don't even sell. Boom, L. That's why I say EI is to a point. I just take an EI at this point. Because even testing your strategy, I'm about 65% with the tree and these 530s to 1. I'm about 65%. But if you take 2 and 2, you go 50-50. Is most days I'm going 50-50. Unless I say I take every one. And sometimes you see how I missed 2. I would have been 4 and 2 today, but I missed 2. So therefore I was 2 and 2. I can't even catch every one. So 530 is more likely because it's like 70. It's more to the 65 to 70% echelons. And especially it, like say if you catch this with the 2 to 2, oh my gosh, you'd have been 6%, 3, 1%. So now we here. We'll see. Probably enter that one. Boom. We win. Boom. So boom. Smack for TP. Oh my gosh. So we enter this. Bro, goddamn. Damn. So boom. There's another one we could have answered. Too much going on. Delete. Let's delete. Let's delete this. Delete. Delete. First, second, third. Maybe lose this one. Yep, you lose. See, that's why. Oh my gosh. You come here. See if we lose this one. Win that one. So tree. Well, maybe tree. We have to go to like a 2 point. I ain't gonna lie. We might have to go to like a 2R, bro. Nah, cause that shit don't work. Well, I don't know. Would you want to test a 2R of the tree? So like, this is by a 2. Nah, cause that I don't think that 2R will work. That 2R probably wouldn't work. So, cause like say sell comes up, sell again. What we in sales? This one? What we in sales? Yeah. I said, all right, we lose this one, we win this one, comes up, win this one. So boom. Wait. Sell. So boom. Boom. 2 trees. Like I said, that's why I don't be liking trees sometimes. Did I say? I knew I did some type of gold shit. Yeah, sell. Yeah, I did. I was about to say I'm starting to see an EI. I did some shit. Yeah, I'm starting to see. Why? Yo, I swear this should be looking different because I swear it comes up a little more. Like I wrote the EI here. Okay, that's still an EI to me. So boom. Wait. Let's say this one. Either EI really works. And I ain't gonna lie. So we could just do 3.5. Hell yeah, we did 3.5 because that shit would have 3.5. That's a 2.5. 3.50. All right. Goddamn. I would have entered. Mm-hmm. Would have entered. Would have lost. It's okay. Ah. Oh fuck. It's kind of like a nearby though. Like this, what I mean. It's nearby. I like a nearby with a tree. Like the so boom comes here. Wicks up. Like if this shit wins 80% of the time, we could do a tree. And so boom. This is what I mean. It broke out from here. Now we want to see some type of sale barriers. I don't. This is where So boom. Now it's a point. It's not a 101, but if we can, we probably can come to here. Or we can even do here, to be honest. Like, I wouldn't be too upset of because it broke out from here. So let's see. I don't mind doing this. I wouldn't mind doing this one, which is a 1.5. Mhm. Still more than 1.5. You get, I just do a 1.5. So boom, we lose. We lose a tree. Boom, 4. It's switching to the upside. Go. I see a fucking EI being formed. Like I said, I seen that EI being formed. I had to look. So boom. So I see EI being formed. So boom. Probably until. Cause I feel your love by delusion. Tree is formed against us, so we could put a W for that tree. I would have entered this. Like, I ain't gonna lie, I'd have felt very comfortable entering this tree. I'm not gonna front. I probably even entered this tree to right here. Sometimes you have to take, and this is where your advantage come in at the market. Maybe you do lose this. Maybe it does go to 1.5 and it closes. If anything, you can just close both of them right here, or you close this one. Like, I don't. The thing about double entering, I don't like. Because if I just singly enter, I'm not taking out of no stop loss. I'm not moving in to take profit. I'm not touching that shit. So, but if I do re-enter, it's like I would close stop loss for both of them right here. Like, okay, maybe I didn't hit it because it come here, it can't go back up to here. But it's like, I don't know, bro. Because all right, so say if it break the 101. I'm trying to see what's the mathematically what is the best strategy. Because it doesn't make sense to have two stop loss. Like, you have a stop loss here, then you have your stop loss all the way down here. I wouldn't even like that. So like, enter this. I'd have just maybe I would have just did the 101. You This would have been a nice one though too. This would have been another 3 to. This probably would have been another 3 to 1. So like, say if you want to enter here, same spot, you enter from here, then you close right about here. That's about a 3 to 1. Oh my god! So I don't know. Maybe I would have. I ain't gonna lie. Truth. Okay. Truthfulness. If it hit the 101, you can close that break even. I just close that break even because I still feel good holding the first one. But imagine this. Yeah, I gotta do that. This is so. This is another one. That's a tree, but I ain't gonna. This tree, it's a 3.4. 3.34. We probably never seen no shit like this. And then we could just say 3.2 or some shit. Let's see. Now let's measure it. Let's measure it. Oh, why we this short? Cause I feel your love by delusion. 3.4. I said that shit too. Did I? Oh, I said 3.2 or some shit. 3.34. 3. It's really all the same thing, but sometimes you enter a little. Every entry ain't the same. I know it got to be better than 3 though. Sometimes it could be 3.5 depending on your entry. Sometimes it could even be 4 depending on your entry. Like you want to enter a little early, get a sneak peekage. Go crazy. I want to keep this out of all of them. If I'm gonna write a note. Let's write a note. I'm gonna clean this up for tomorrow for a video. When let's close this. When entering a tree in while in a EI, if tree hits one close, stop loss, move SL to break even. Okay. When enter a tree while in a EI, if tree hits 1-1, move that's the stop loss. So boom, that's good. So got the tree for 3.4. That's really like another. It's really another EI. In all honesty, I want to put this in EI, bro. I'm not even going. It's like it's not tree. Tree is a 1-1 RR, but I don't have 1-1 RR near you. I don't like this. It's really. Whoa, these was the same. I don't think it was. I think the other one was 4.3, but I ain't gonna change it. I really want to move this. A 3.43. I can't put this as tree because this is not a tree. It is a tree though. Fuck. Nah, I gotta put it as bro. I gotta put this. I maybe because I just want. Yeah, we gonna put this as. We're just look. This is how we enhance the strategy too. We're enhancing the strategy because we're in an EI and we think, okay, since there we enter and it's the same TP. Oh my gosh, that's a 1.5, 1.5. You enter. That's a 3 point. Oh, you're golden. You're golden. Really, trees break even. Okay. What time is it? 12. So it's 12. Probably won't see another setup. Don't take this. Don't take that. We probably take something like this, but it's 12:30. Let's boom stop. Okay, now 12:30. I come back usually around 1. Girl sleep. So boom. So all right, girl is sleep. Who we going to sales? Let me see 5 minutes. What the hell I did? Oh, I entered the ER. Okay. Oh my gosh, no. So I'm not gonna lie, low key. I don't like this EI, and I caught it today. What EI did I miss? Okay, so touch. No. 1, 2. This is the EI, yeah. I enter this one. Boom, boom, into this one. Boom, boom. I'm not mad at this EI. I don't like this EI. It just doesn't make sense to me. So one touch. Let me see. Oh my gosh. I don't know. Because if you do this, you're just making it a habit and saying, okay, it didn't break here. Maybe at most, I did enter here. At most, this would have been a re-entry. This would have been a re-entry. And that's even a better re-entry. So boom. At most, I could do that. So 3 point. What's that? We could say another. He just got another ER, bro. I don't really like that one. See any trees that could be so hard. I can answer that. Boom. Take TP. Probably answer it there. So boom. Whoop. I like this tree. I'll take it. I'm gonna have to figure out when to enter tree. Probably want to enter this. Would enter that. Would have lost. Just knowing how I am, I would have not entered that one and entered that one and lost. So that was just consideration. Maybe. No, I ain't gonna answer that. It's too small. Go ahead and answer that. Maybe this one. If it was like 5 Reagan, I would have answered. Okay, I feel obligated to answer that one. Maybe it loses, maybe it wins. I don't know. Maybe it lose, maybe it wins. Boom, doesn't lose. So it's that another W. I really, fuck. Let's just press that way. Cause I feel so back play. Maybe I lose, maybe I don't. What time is it? 4. I'm done. This is the stats for today. EI 3 EIs, 1 L, 2 L's. You see how? Oh my gosh. The EI is insanely good, bro. I'm kind of glad I created this EI. The tree is like I said, we're gonna have a nice study session. Something that has to do with this breakouts. Something that has to do with this, and something that has a high percentage, or even if it don't have a high percentage, it has to have a good RR. Kind of a high percentage because this EI has a really like a 50% chance of hitting with a 3. Look higher than the 3 is at least guaranteed gonna hit points. 0.15, 0.3, or 0.75 if you trade. I say trade the same thing every time. I believe in that. People preach risk management. That's why I fucking love Trade Locker. Trade Locker is the best fucking. It's better than MetaTrader. It's better than DX Trader. It's better than anything because you can go to risk and trade the same every fucking time. I press the same. If I want to trade 25%, I wrote it down right here. I know what 25% is. If I want to trade 50%, I wrote it down right here. I type this number, I trade in 50. If I want to trade 1%, I wrote it right here. I trade 1%, go to risk, type that number in, make it your stop loss. That's it. Don't fuck a TP. You can worry about the TP later. You always want to get what is your stop. Listen. Okay. So 9, probably 10. So 9. We're gonna say 9%. 9%. Which it was. 1%. Which is 6. Let's take away 3%. It's like I don't want a. It's like I still want a one in my strategy though. Like or realness, I still want a 1-on-1. I'm not trying to be on no funny shit. I don't want straight 3 RRs. It's like I used to trade that way. Don't get me wrong. I was in a break-even state because I think I was just trading random 3-1 RRs without no like real live strategy. But I was trying to follow so much other people. The best thing I ever did was delete social media and just look at someone else's. Oh, this is easy. Trading is easy. You just have to find your edge, bro. You look at someone else's edge and they've been winning for years, and you be like, man, let me just do what he do, and it just doesn't work for me. So I sat down one day and just created my own shit that actually worked for me. It's 5 and 1 minute. I could trade on an hour, but shit, I care for an hour. Like if I like long term, I ain't gonna lie. I'm gonna tell an all honest truth. If I want to trade on an hour and 30 minutes, I'd rather just buy a trade option and hold that bitch for 3 months because I know it's gonna go up. I don't care to trade for an hour. Maybe it can help me in a run now, but as of right now, as I'm speaking, 5, 13, 20, 25, I don't see no point in trading an hour for me. Maybe 5 minutes to not look at the chart consistently and miss setup because I do be missing setup. Maybe I can go on a 5 minutes and switch up to 15 the long. Like I barely even look at the fucking 5 minute to see the trend. I look at it once, twice, and that's it. And then look at one. And consistently, y'all seen consistently. I go live Monday through Thursday consistently and continuously hit high percentage. It's only one. It was only one day I went negative doing this. One day. And I ain't got nothing to fake, nigga. Because if I want to fake it, I'm not really making money. I'm not getting viewers. So I would want the proper risk right now. As of right now, I create it. And then when I can actually help people with this. So I'm in the trenches right now. So 6. So this is 6, 7, 1%. 1%, 4. We could say 1 to 4%. I don't really like. He could say 1. I don't really like that. 1 to 4. So 1. It's like the EI. I'm acceptable to just keep like today. I just want to find EIs. No lie, no lie. I just want to find EIs. It's a point I want to start off good, and that's when I feel way more comfortable. Like tree, I have to figure out when to enter tree at like a not even a 60, not like a 80% clip. Like 80% of the time I enter tree, it got to be 80%. And that's why I want to make it. It got to be 80. If it's 70, 60, maybe 71%, could be good, but I want the strategy. Or maybe, but EI, it's 50. 50%. It's really 50. It's just a good day for EI. Look, it's 50. It hits consistently. 1, 2, 3. The trend of direction come here, 50. Boom. It doesn't want to go back up. 1, 2 comes here. You want to enter here. If you don't want to enter here, you can enter here. Boom. Enter here. Boom. So much places to enter, bro. EI, you don't want to enter this. Fine. I entered here today. Fine. You enter here. Boom. I don't know. Like EI, you can just say, hey, I just want to catch EI. And it's the 1 minute. So most likely you can catch the EI. You can. Most the 1 minute, yes. Yes, you can. Or I try to implement these other strategies, but like I said, I went 2 and 2 in the morning, so I'm like, I give up. But what got me over the hump today is the EI today. If I just do 530 and tree, I probably just stay break even. In all honesty, because 1%, like even let's just look at the past. Don't get me wrong, you can, yeah, because some days 530. Look at this, 530. EI could go 0 and 2 today. 1 in. Look, this. So 4 and 2, 1 and 1 nearby. 3, 3. See, you don't want, like, it's too much negatives. Like 3, it's negative too much time. So low key, and it's 1 to 1 RR. If it's not 80%, I'm telling a dead ass truth. 80. Set out, we could be giving grace and say 75. 530 is mainly 75%, as you can see. At 530, I keep looking. I look at 530 so much times, and I just see 75% win rate over the like just scroll through it. I'm just seeing 75% win rate. 75, 75, 75, 30. I'm seeing straight 75. So that's why I said, hey, let me up the risk to 3 to 1, 3 RR and see where I get. And some days I get better. This one is 3% one. Let's see. 3.31. So this one 6.2. This one -4. 0. You see, it's longer overall. That 3 to 1 RR might be better. Might be better in the long run. You got the -4, don't get me wrong. But still might be better. And this nearby, I took it away. Because look, nearby 3.5, nearby 5.3, nearby 4. And this is random. This is random. Nearby 2. God damn, this is, I ain't gonna lie, this might be lower than 50. Nearby. So, and then as I see nearby was just losing, I took it off. Nearby 2-1, enter tree. Enter tree. And don't get me wrong, tree is better, but it's still not in the echelons of winning. Like I said, we're gonna have to maybe add tree and nearby together, or I don't know. EI is pretty good. You can make like EI. You probably would just want to look for EI. Tree is probably like If you just want to look at the chart and just take a quick setup, boom. I'm just being all honest. You want to just take a quick setup, do it. So as of right now, we're just taking off. We're saying goodbye to nearby. It doesn't make sense. Just doesn't make sense in our playbook. Doesn't make sense at all. Doesn't make sense at all. Because I feel... No, because we're in 2.2. The fuck? Why did I... You know what? I'm going to keep that 3R because I wrote it for previous ones. RR 3.1. Because I think I got it for fucking... I'm getting kind of tired. It was so no. I got to write the rest of the script. I'm going to take a break. Write the script though. After this, yeah, I'm going to take a break. Tree. See the nearby. Okay. So we're done with nearbys. All right, so nearbys, nah. I'm gonna tell the honest truth. Nearbys with 30 isn't even that bad. Like, it was gold that was killing us. So, like, look, 4-0, 3-1, 6-1, start. Okay, take way more. Okay, nearby is losing. It's to a point, even though it's random. Boom, 6-1. This is about it's showing like a 70% win rate with 30 though. Nearby might be cool for 30. Nearby, like I said, we might come back to it. For 30, it might be good because I'm seeing the stats. With tree, 6%. Maybe that was just a good day. No, it was 5.8. I see why tree was good, 6%. How trendy the market was. We do tree this one. Tree, 2%, tree, 2%. Tree probably. It's on our usher echelons of 60%. But we need a 80% to 75% R. If it's a 1-to-1 RR, it needs to be 75%. No ifs, ands, and buts. It would have been cool if it was a 1.5, but enter early. Well, for a small time frame, I don't like that shit. I really don't. Maybe on 5 minutes, you probably can enter early, but we're not at a 5 minute, and the EI is so good. I'd rather just sacrifice, just taking away everything and just trade EI. But we have to find something else in our playbook. We have to. I'd rather 530. I feel like an echelon to 530. 530. The market is smooth. I don't really have a problem too much with 530. Like, yeah, that's where break even some days, but I'm not too upset over 530. Like yeah, we mostly do break even, but it usually be about 75%. In all honesty, 75 is what it just showing me is 75%, 70%. And now EI just been it's so rule statistic, and the other ones is not low key. Because EI, I could continuously look at the chart. Boom, boom. Let's plus replay. EI, I consistently look at the chart. I don't have to consistently look at the chart, and I'm still on a 1 minute. But the other Jones tree, if it's just 3 candles going in the way of the trend, I'll just enter, and that's not a real strategy. So imagine that. But if I be like, let it hit support, I'd rather just wait for EI. So I'm trying to look for something outside of it, and the best thing I can see is this. It's this right here. Either I can make it a 2. It breaks out. Maybe I can make it a 2. Like, all right, so it breaks out of here. I could. Oh my gosh, another. I'm getting pissed off. All right, I'm about to get pissed off, bro. I'm about to get pissed off. Bro. Watch out, bro. Before you plug out the mic, move. What the hell? You would just sleep. Take your ass back to sleep, girl. All right, so let's go, man. When you on boss. Because I feel. Damn, where is I? Damn, I know I cleared one. I just cleared one. I couldn't been doing all that damn talking, but I'll clear one. Bro. Yo. 15. Okay. This is 13. Move this over. Just move this over. Come here, 5. 5. Bring this all the way in the middle. Okay. Alright. Damn, I don't even know what I did no more. For 5:30. Boom. What the fuck? What is that? Delete this shit. What the fuck did I do? Oh, I probably was on 5 minutes. Where's the replay? I think I was on 5 minutes. So 3. So boom. Oh man. That's a W though. That's a WW. Alright. Probably won't enter that shit. Loki, that's probably too damn fucking small. I ain't gonna lie. Let's delete that shit. Just delete it, bro. That's too damn small. We're not entering that. I don't know if I enter that bullshit. Alright, let's go. Let's hurry up and finish this. I gotta stop saying that. Okay, shit. W. Let's see. Boom. What the fuck? I need to click tree. Boom. We lose. We probably breathe a little bit. I ain't gonna lie. I think I did answer. Hello. So shit. Boom, boom. All right. That's 4 losses. That's 4 losses. Just put 4. So 2 and 2. Maybe be generous. So 2 and 2. So that's 4. Let me at least get 1, 3. 1, 2. 1, 2. So boom. I don't know what I did for this. Let's some type of nose. Move this up. I'm gonna be in the same spot. So boom, boom. Comes here. I'll flip that over. That's a 1. That's a. What is? It's not. That don't count, bro. Oh, that don't count. That's just not a. Oh, maybe it does. I don't know. I swear I thought that was a blue candle. Maybe. I remember one time I looked on a different chart. It was a blue one. That next one. Sometimes I do that. Straight blues. So boom, boom. Boom, 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 lose. Boom. So we can just say lose. From that, we lose that one. So something I gotta give. When I'm starting to notice something do gotta give. Something has to give. Keep testing, and I'm looking at these stats. Something has to give. Something has to give because EI probably just save us. It's probably saving us. The only thing that's saving us is the EI. Do I just do EI? It's like I gotta find a better 101. And look, so boom. So you want to sell. Boom, 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 boom. You sell. Boom. Takes place. That's a 3. You see, break even. Break even. If anything, even you do the 1.5, never 1 that hits 1.5. This does hit 1.5. This does hit 1.5. Let's see. This is 1.5. So it's 1.5. If you want to do tree, he is 1.5. But how accurate is 1.5? If it's 60%, I'll change to 1.5. I'll be more okay with it. I'll be more okay because tree, I'm getting 1-2%. I know if I could do 1.5, you have to get a better RRR. That's what I'm trying to notice. Okay. What time is it here? 5. You lose all that shit. So 4, 4. Boom. Oh my god. 1, 1. You see how randomization this is? That's why. 1. Oh my gosh. Something has to give. Something has to give. That's no way in hell. Because I'm 4 and 4. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. That's just too random. It's too random. But I'm figuring out EI is okay. EI is probably like a B plus, A minus. Tree C. 537 probably C plus. A low B C. What I'm looking at probably B minus. Tree probably still C plus. Nearby was like a C minus. EI is probably the only high graded strategy Pokemon shit. So here's here. So boom, 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 boom. You enter. Let's just see if we get 1. We probably do. Probably do, and it does. And it does. It does. So for fuck, that's nasty work. 1%. Eight. Negative 5%. We have to figure something out. We might have to change to 1.5. But everyone we took, to be honest, kind of broke 1.5. Everyone. 1.5. 1.5. What is 1.5 in this stuff? We're gonna have to add it. No, because we already wrote that so carefully. What is 1.5 though? Is this 1.5? This might be 2. That might be 2. So 50. $1.78. So 1. 8, 1, 2. Yeah, 2.27. That's probably the best one. We're gonna keep this in mind. I don't know. It's a point. We gotta make the video because I kind of want to stop doing 5:30. So tomorrow I catch EIs. I'll probably catch a couple of trees, 2, 3 trees. If I lose 2, I probably stop. I catch EIs though. It's like I'm not minding catching EIs. Like even if I lose 3 EIs, I know 2 can make up for fucking 5 L's, bro. And the EI is not even losing like that. Like maybe 1.75. That's cool. But let's see. Let's just go here. I don't like this. We have to figure out a way. Let's delete all this shit. Delete all this shit. I'm just not liking it, bro. I'm not. Let's see, 30. Did we join? Yeah, I bought that. Okay, whatever. Okay, so maybe I don't know. Maybe you take off this one. You might take off the one to take off. You might have to take off the one. I kind of want to finish this. Let's just finish the stats, bro. I gotta make the video because I want to stop taking stats. I need to figure out something. I took enough stats for it to figure out this ain't good. EI is fucking great. Amazing shit I made up. Fine, you can probably just pass it with EI. I don't really think you could pass the challenges, but even though it's trees 65, 60%, you can't catch everything. And it's so randomization, it could keep you in that break even echelon because I was in break even echelons for a long time. Like when I was about to pass my challenge, it was because of EI. I came back up -2% because of EI. I feel great taking EIs. I don't like this, bro. I don't. So we gonna. I ain't gonna lie. I'm gonna try to hurry up speed through this. I ain't gonna lie. I really don't see man. I, I don't know. I see what the fuck I got with 30. I fell asleep anyways. 30 was probably fucking nasty today. I didn't even trade 30 no more. I didn't trade 30 no more. 30 was probably nasty. So let's go. 30 was probably nasty. I'm gonna figure something out. Maybe this could be TP. And even so, it's like EI to a point. It's still the same TP. So still the same. I don't see nothing. I don't see oil here, nothing. Did I write a yeah here? Probably did. I don't like this EI. I probably won't count this touch. I'll keep one of it count this touch. Let's see. Boom. Won't even count that touch. So boom, boom, boom. 3, boom. I don't know. Maybe. Yeah. Oh, it kind of does touch here. A 1.7. That's a 1.7. That's cool. As long as a 1.7 hits more than 50, I test it. So tree, you could do entry at. We have to figure out the fib entry. So let's go. So fib entry. I don't know, bro. I don't. So boom, I'll take that one. So boom. So 1. So boom. 1, 2. I feel way more comfortable taking that shit. I feel way more comfortable. I'd answer ER. This is the ER I answer. Boom, 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 boom. ER touch. Oh, 3.4. Probably like a 3.3. 3.3. Yes, that's so fine. Alright. You could do tree. Re-enter with the tree. Boom, boom. Fuck, I like this re-entry. I like the re-entry of tree though. Another re-entry. This is a re-entry. Re-enter. Tree. That's after 1.1. Oh, I like that. Bro, I'm kind of getting annoyed, bro. 3 lost. That's what I don't forget. 1, 2. Let's go right there. Just put I. Yeah, to go with that. Where is this from? From yesterday? I should go back there. Bro, I gotta finish this shit, bro. I got to, bro. I don't like it. US 30. Try to enter. Doesn't come back to entry. Oh. Lowest, no, doesn't even answer. Don't answer. Don't answer. So 1, 2, 3, enter. New EI's going. New EI's formed against this. 1, 2. See what it does. Enter. There ain't been a lot of trees today. There's not. This shit looks nasty, bro. I'm not gonna lie to you. Let's see if this tree works. Tree does work. Maybe we could push tree to 1.7% instead of 1.5. Oh, I kind of like that. Let's see. This is the 1 point. Let's see. So boom. That's not too bad. Maybe. I don't know. It's probably still, if it's 50-50, that's still cool though. Because overall, if it's 50-50, if that's 50-50 with a 1 point, at least what, 1.7, that's probably 1.7, 1.5. You're still kind of in the upper echelon range. Probably lose 5% more, 6% more. If you lose 5-6% more, depends. 46.7. You have to. All right, so you fit. So say if it's like 60%, you lose 55. You're still, say you still break even with that. It still kind of solidifies you because you don't really want to. It's 1.7, 1.5, and 2 is 66% out of 33. This would be 50-50. Still about a 1.7% factor gain. So 1, 2, this don't count. So boom, this counts. Boom, 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 boom. I don't see nothing. We don't see nothing. We don't. Boom, boom, boom. I like it. Okay. I'll see what this do. See what this last push does. It does. See what it does. What it does. Oh shit. This stuff. You might want to let this go. Might want to let this go. Let me see how it plays out. Look at this. This is shit. I know. Even trades must have. Let this go. This shit looks nasty. Yeah, this shit looks nasty. So boom. It does work. I ain't gonna lie. Other than this, I did never went down. I don't like it though. If you enter shit, you just lose. So, and even if so, you want to count it as a loss, fine. Let's count it as a loss. Still better than most strategies. Probably too low for me. But if it does come on 50, it's telling me it probably doesn't want to sell. This is a tree. I got this tree right here. Boom. That's a nice tree. I don't like none of these trees down here. It comes up. That's a tree. I'd be forgetting a tree wins more on fucking 30 than gold. Leon. That's the one that's the killer. Lost. Once I talk, what happens? Right there, high. I'll probably stop taking it after this. Mm-hmm. Either or. I say either or. Depends on what you enter. See if you enter here. Still hits the ER. Oh my gosh. Yeah, this one hits. Depends on where you enter. You enter here, you win. Depends on where. It really does depends on where you enter. Just not take it. You just kind of as a loss. You want kind of as a loss. Fuck it, just kind of as a loss. Nah, let's just be realistic. It's just this shit pissing me off, low key. Boom, boom. Enter tree. Boom, you lose. Alright. Yeah, it's nothing left. Okay. So 1%, 1%. Like me gaining 1% or fucking I really don't give a fuck. Cause 1%, 1%. Fucking 1.5. Fucking 1. Let's see. 1.3%. This shit is nasty. All right. That's enough for today, man. And we out of here. Peace.